Welcome back to the channel, guys. So you guys already know, title of the video, I got MB Battles, and for those of you who know me, you guys know that they're probably one of my favorite wheels, if not my favorite reps. I just think they're super cool wheels, and they're in the affordable kind of price range. They're not over like a crazy amount like most wheels nowadays are a few thousand. So I think they look pretty good for how cheap they are, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what they look like and talk about the specs. So here they are on the S13. This car is pretty much all stock. I'm just say this because I know there's gonna be some people wondering. Pretty much stock, has tint, has a muffler delete with some blast pipes, coilovers, and that's pretty much it. The front, I still need to go a little lower, and I want to get some stuff. I'll just say it, some lower control arms because the bushings on these are kind of bad. But yeah, the fronts are 17 by 9 plus 30. I am running a slip-on spacer from like AutoZone because it hits on the back where the coilover is in here. That's the front fitment. The front fitment kind of stinks a little right now. I'm not gonna lie, but I also need to go lower, so that's, you know, that's a major reason why it looks kind of bad, but it dries fine, doesn't rub, doesn't do anything like that, so that's why I think it's kind of fine for the meantime. Now the rear is 17 by 9.5 plus 15, no spacer. They're kind of aggressive, but in my opinion, they're the perfect specs for a S13. You can see right there, perfect fender to lip. Doesn't rub at all. The only things I've done is roll the fenders, front and rear. They're not pulled at all. And I am running the same tires on all four corners. They're 205 45s. So the fronts are stretched very minor, or maybe some people will say it's aggressive, but comparing that to the rear, that's pretty minor. This is kind of excessive and a little too much for me, but yeah, that's kind of a lot, but I mean, it works. The rear, since how low my car is, I have all stock arms at the moment on there. There's kind of a lot of camber on the rear. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but in my opinion, the rear has a little bit too much negative camber that I kind of want to get rid of, and the front doesn't have enough negative camber. So I will be fixing that. But I will be doing that eventually. Right now, I just wanted to get these on there. Car looks so much better with these on there. So I am going to be doing a lot of stuff to this 240. I'm just kind of doing it little by little as I go about it. I'm not really in any rush to build it, to drift it, to do anything like that. I kind of just want to have fun with it. And yeah, so I hope you guys like the wheels. But if you guys are, want to see more progress on the 240, I would definitely recommend subscribing. But with that being said, I hope you guys are stoked on the 240, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.
You fell in love with the ocean, yeah. Oh, I need a wave. You just need someone else to share the same passion. Yeah. Oh, I need a wave. You just need someone else to share the same passion. Let's head back to the crib, pop some champagne and just live. Watch the sun fall off the